Today I'm going to do a review of Speedy-Carve by Speedball. And this little fella is going to be the project that I'm going to try to cut on this. I've never cut this before, so we'll talk about how good or bad it is. It's very rubbery. I'm going to transfer this little guy by rubbing him over, and I will show you how I do that. So I transfer him by putting him face down, and he will be put in as a mirror image. And once you put him down, you just tape it on there so it stays still while you rub it on. And then for rubbery Lino blocks, all you have to do is press it like you're doing Lino, and it should transfer. I just want to make sure I get the whole thing. I did this drawing in pencil. I don't know that it would transfer if it was on an ink or any other media, but I do know that pencil transfers pretty well. So let's see what we got. There you go. All transferred, ready to be cut. So I'm going to ink him a little bit and see where I need to touch this fella up, because I'm sure I didn't get everything. I'm using a water-based ink so it can dry pretty quick, just so I can see what I got going on here. All right, I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna clean him up. So now that I completed this block, here's my conclusion. What I love about this block is it's easy to transfer, it's easy on your hands and on your tools, and it's great for printing without a press. The downside to this block is that it will take more experience to be able to cut greater details in it, and it is about double the price than your traditional gray Lino block. But overall, it's a great block to work with, and I do recommend it.